Okay, hello, my name is Lakin Inman, and I am the Talent Acquisition Specialist here at Master Services. So one of our core values of Master Services is one team. So we are about to go to a few job sites and visit some of the crews, and we're going to drop off some snacks and drinks and just show them how much we appreciate them and how thankful we are for them. So let's go. Hello. So I came to bring some snacks and drinks for y'all. If y'all like anything, and everything's in the trunk of the car. So yeah, if y'all want to come up. All right, y'all want anything else before we head out? Okay. Yeah, you're welcome.
Anytime.
All right. All right. Okay. Well, y'all have a right. Okay. Okay. Well, y'all have a good day. Thank you for everything you do. Oh, that was sweet. Okay.
I'd fall so fast.
Granola bars, trail mix, fruit cups. So yeah, you're welcome. Get whatever you'd like. We just got back from 2 different job sites. We went to Farragut and we went to Maryville. And the crews that were on those sites were very appreciative for the snacks and the drinks that we brought. Everyone here at Master Services wants the production crews to know how much they're appreciated for the hard work they do. So I'm glad that I'm able to come and show that and help bring those snacks and drinks to them. I can't wait to do this more often in the future, so stay tuned to see more of that, and I hope you all have a good day.